Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new RST Freestyle 2 short leather riding gloves. Okay, the Freestyle 2 short leather riding gloves are on the site right now for $49.99. Yes, that is a tremendous value. When I compare these to the other brands that we have, a comparable product, you literally need to spend double, at least double, to get an equivalent product. Tons of value with this, like everything else we see in the RST line. Let's jump into sizing. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. I have on a 2X right now in the Freestyle 2. And they feel great right out of the bag. These things, for me, are ready to go. Use that along with the sizing chart to choose the right size for yourself. Let's break down some features and benefits. Full grain leather construction in the palm as well as the back of the hand. These gloves actually include a palm slider at $49.99. These gloves are coming with a palm slider. That is a higher level of safety you won't normally find at price points anywhere near this. We've got a double layer of leather here in the palm as well as on the pinky finger. That is the prime impact and abrasion zone. You couple that with the palm slider, you have a lot of safety with this glove. Creature comforts. This has touchscreen compatible index finger as well as thumb. So if you're using a nav unit or you've got your phone mounted to your bike, you can easily use the device while still having the glove on. To help the glove wear a little bit longer service life, there is an overlay right here in the palm of the glove. Some silicone injected grip panels built in. A little perforation here on the fingers of the glove. Lots of perforation in between the fingers. That is the prime airflow area. You get your hands on the bars, you're riding down the road, they're out in the wind. Drives in between the fingers is really going to help to keep you cool and comfortable. Got a medium density knuckle protector. There's some memory foam behind that. Knuckle protectors, motion panels. In the control fingers, got some additional overlays here with memory foam. Motion panel here, neoprene cuff, RST logo screen printed on. Entry and exit is managed with the Velcro here, also adjustment. And what's nice with this is they have closed this off. Some gloves leave that open, and if you're a street rider and you've had a pair of short riding gloves where that area is left open, you know that is a prime sunburn spot. You go out and your hands are on the bars and you take a long ride and it's really sunny out, that area, if it's left exposed, it's just hanging out in the sun, that can be a sunburn spot. So RST on this model, they have closed it off for you. To pull the gloves all the way up, there is a nice leather strap too that is part of the overlay that is here in the palm. All around, excellent glove, tremendous value. Like I said, I don't think at this price point you're going to find anything that even comes close to this. We brought this in the all black color that we're showing you here right now. We've got the black with the red and the white. And then we have the white black. Get yours while the getting's good.